I teach a lot of different classes here, including Neuroscience of Conflict Management, Nonverbal Communications, a lot of neuroscience-based curriculum. One of the classes that I really sincerely love the most is Nonverbal Communication and Conflict. And I love it because nonverbal communication is the largest majority of the messages that we give to people, and it's oftentimes the thing that we don't think about at all. So it is so fun to have people come in and actually learn some of the processes of nonverbal communication and some of the subtleties of how we can help conflict resolve faster just in the ways that we approach people non-verbally. Very cool class, super fun. There is so much more to communication besides just the words, and that there's so many different ways that we can notice when conversations are going sideways. And if you're really paying attention to nonverbal communication, you can get that back online so much faster. Conflict management is just really all the details of what goes into when people are at a disconnect and what's going on, what are the processes, what are some of the theories that come into play, and what are some of the really cool skills that we can use to help resolve those conflicts in more meaningful ways. People will come in wanting like negotiation and leadership, and then they'll write to me and say, you just saved my marriage. And so really communication is communication is communication. And when you're learning how to leverage all of that information, it just makes lives better. When you can bring people along and you can see and you get the letters and the feedback about how their lives have changed because of the information you've given them, that's the coolest.